In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own gradient in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva so you can work directly on the element you want to customize. This works especially well if you want your text to feel more polished, colorful, and eye-catching without relying only on Canva's preset color options. Once your design is open, select the text box you want to edit. Make sure the text itself is active, because the gradient settings will only appear correctly when the text box is selected. If nothing changes on screen, just click directly on the text again to confirm it's highlighted. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the text color button. This is the icon that looks like the letter A with a colored line underneath it. Clicking this opens the text color settings where you'll be able to create and customize your gradient. Now look over to the text color panel on the left side. In that panel, find and click the option to add a new color, then switch to the Gradient tab. This is where the real customization happens. Under the Gradient Colors section, you can build your own color blend from scratch or adjust any colors that are already there. If there are existing colors in the gradient and you want to change them, click on the circular color swatch for that color. A color picker will open, and from there you can choose a new color manually or type in a hex code if you already know the exact shade you want. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match brand colors or create a more intentional look. If you want to add more colors to the gradient, click the Add a New Gradient Color button under the Gradient Colors section. Once again, the color picker will open and you can select the new color or enter a hex code. Keep repeating this process until your gradient includes all the colors you want. Take your time here, because even small color changes can make a big difference in the final result. After that, choose the gradient style you want. This affects how the colors flow across the text, so it's worth trying a few options to see which one best fits your design. Once you've chosen your colors and style, take a moment to check how your custom gradient looks. If something feels too strong, too subtle, or slightly off balance, go back and modify the colors until it looks right. And that's it. You've successfully made your own gradient in Canva.